Long, full lashes. They make eyes pop. Lashes make you feel glamorous. Want longer lashes? You have options. You can use mascara, but mascara can be messy, and it doesn't last long. Eyelash extensions are the answer. Eyelash extensions are individual lashes. They are glued to your natural lashes. This makes your lashes look longer. They also look fuller. Extensions last for weeks. They look amazing. You wake up feeling beautiful. Extensions can be customized. Choose the length and fullness you want. A professional lash technician can help. They help you choose the right lashes for your eye shape. Many women love eyelash extensions. They are perfect for special occasions. But they are also great for every day. Extensions give you confidence. They make you feel your best. Ready to try eyelash extensions? You will need a few tools. These tools will help you apply the lashes. They will also help you create a flawless look. First, you need eyelash extension trays. They come in different lengths, thicknesses, and curls. You will also need lash glue. This is what bonds the extensions to your natural lashes. Make sure you choose a glue for sensitive eyes. Next, you need tweezers. Tweezers help you pick up and apply individual lashes. You will use two types of tweezers. Use straight tweezers to isolate your natural lashes. Use curved tweezers to pick up and apply the extensions. Finally, you need under-eye patches and lash tape. These protect your lower lashes. They also catch any fallen extensions. Now you are ready to start. Eyelash extensions come in different materials. The most popular are real animal mink, faux mink, silk, or matte. Animal mink is real animal hair, and the other styles listed are synthetic. The least popular is human hair lashes. They are very thick and the curl changes over time. Mink lashes are very fine and soft, 4 times thinner than human hair. They look the most natural but have an untamed look. They are also the most expensive. They average a set at $400 to $500 a set. Silk, matte, and faux mink lashes are thicker than mink lashes. They are still soft and flexible. These are the most popular on the market because they are of such high quality. Synthetic lashes are the most affordable. They are also the most durable. Synthetic lashes are a good choice for beginners. They are easier to work with. When choosing lashes, consider your eye shape to determine the right style for you. You can choose from doll eye, which is shorter in the corners and gradually grows in length when heading towards the middle. You can choose from natural eye, which is very close in size to your natural lashes, and does not tend to increase length too much. You can also choose from open eye, which is very drastic and long towards the middle, but very short on the outer corners. This style usually has only 3 to 5 lengths included. You can also choose the most requested style called cat eye, but it is the least recommended by professional lash artists, as it is very short in the corner and tends to grow in size as it reaches the end of the eye. This style tends to make you look very tired due to its shape. Let's dive deeper into the benefits of eyelash extensions. Eyelash extensions not only enhance your natural beauty, but also save you time. Imagine waking up every morning with perfect lashes. No need for mascara or lash curlers. This can be a game changer for busy mornings or when your client is traveling. Additionally, eyelash extensions can boost your client's confidence. When they look good, they feel good. Many women report feeling more put together and confident with their extensions. They are also customizable. They can choose the length, curl, and thickness that best suits their style and eye shape. This means they can have a natural look for everyday wear or a more dramatic look for special occasions. Another benefit is that they are long-lasting. With proper care, eyelash extensions can last for several weeks, 4-6 weeks until the last lash falls off, 2 weeks until a refill is needed. This means fewer trips to the salon and more time enjoying your beautiful lashes. A refill for lashes costs about 50% of full price. Finally, eyelash extensions are safe when applied by a professional. Remover is owned by the professional lash artist, and only they can remove it safely. We use high-quality products and techniques to ensure your client's natural lashes remain healthy. We recommend that you use prestige-recommended products only. So if you're looking for a way to enhance your client's beauty routine, eyelash extensions might be the perfect solution. Now, let's talk about the aftercare for eyelash extensions. Proper aftercare is crucial to ensure the extensions last as long as possible and to keep your client's natural lashes healthy. First, avoid getting the lashes wet for the first 24 to 48 hours after application. This allows the glue to fully set, But if you use a lash mist machine, they can wet them in 7 hours. After this period, they can wash their face and shower as usual. But be gentle with their lashes. Do not pull them and rub them too rough. Brushing the lashes is must. Use a lash cleanser to clean your lashes. Prestige recommended shampoo is the best option. Avoid using oil-based products around the eyes, as oil can break down the glue. Be careful when applying makeup. Avoid using mascara on the extensions, as it can be difficult to remove and may damage the lashes. If they need to use eyeliner, opt for a water-based formula. Brush the lashes daily with a clean mascara wand to keep them looking neat and to prevent tangling. Finally, avoid rubbing the eyes or pulling on the lashes. This can cause the extensions to fall out prematurely and may damage your natural lashes by pulling them out with the fake one. By following these aftercare tips, they can enjoy beautiful, long-lasting eyelash extensions with no damage while looking great. Now let's explore some common myths about eyelash extensions. One common myth is that eyelash extensions damage your natural lashes. This is not true when extensions are applied correctly by a professional. We use techniques that ensure your natural lashes remain healthy. Another myth is that eyelash extensions are high maintenance. While they do require some care, the daily upkeep is minimal. You simply need to brush them and avoid oil-based products. Some people believe that eyelash extensions are only for special occasions. However, they can be worn every day and can be customized to look natural or dramatic, depending on your preference. Another myth is that eyelash extensions are uncomfortable. When applied correctly, you shouldn't feel any discomfort. You will not feel them at all. They should feel just like your natural lashes. Finally, some people think that eyelash extensions are expensive. While the initial application can be costly, the long-lasting results and reduced need for other eye makeup can make them a cost-effective option in the long run. By debunking these myths, we hope to give you a clearer understanding of what to expect with eyelash extensions. In this chapter, we'll discuss the theory of the different styles of eyelash extensions available to choose from. There are several styles to choose from, each offering a unique look. The classic style involves applying one extension to each natural lash. This gives a natural mascara-like effect. The usual thickness for this is 0.15 mm for a natural look, or 0.20 mm for the dark mascara look. The volume style involves applying multiple, thinner extensions to each natural lash. Volume lashes come in the thickness 0.01 mm, 0.02 mm, 0.03 mm, 5 times thinner than a classic lash. You can apply 2 to 30 false volume hairs per one real eyelash. This creates a fuller, more dramatic look. The hybrid style is a mix of classic and volume. It offers a balance between natural and dramatic. The mega volume style involves applying even more extensions to each natural lash, 2 to 60 hairs to one natural lash. This is the most dramatic look and is perfect for special occasions. This look is very full. When choosing a style, consider your eye shape and personal preference. A professional lash technician helps clients decide which style is best for them. We do recommend taking control and choosing for them, because they might like a style that does not suit their eye shape. You can also customize the length, curl, and thickness of the extensions to suit their needs. Lengths range from 6 mm to 30 mm. We recommend using the 8 mm to 15 mm range. It's the most natural. Whether they prefer a natural look or a bold, dramatic look, there's an eyelash extension style for them. Finally, let's talk about the cost of eyelash extensions. The cost can vary depending on several factors, including the type of extensions, the style, and the salon. On average, classic costs $135, volume costs $175, mega volume costs $250, hybrid costs $175, mega hybrid costs $250. This includes the initial application. A follow-up appointment to fill the extensions will cost a percentage of this full set cost. Every 2 weeks will cost 50 to 65% of the original price. Every 2 weeks is when the lash should be maintained and filled. At the time of maintenance, you will also remove the crooked and outgrown hairs. False hair should only be applied to the full-grown lashes, which are called catagen lashes. Hair that are just growing are called anagen, and old hairs are called telogen. Telogen hairs are the ones that are ready to fall out. Only anagen hairs that are just starting to growing can be identified. Telogen and catagen may look the same. We lose 8 lashes per day on each eye. To ensure that you are busy in your lash salon, make sure that you always provide the best services and products. Also remember, hygiene is extremely important. Washing hands and using clean tools. Tools are to be washed with warm, soapy water in between clients. After rinsing, dry them completely and soak for 10 minutes in 70% alcohol. Disposable items are one-time use only. Applying eyelash extensions takes practice. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, clean your lashes with a lash shampoo. This removes any makeup, debris, or oil. Next, apply under-eye patches to your lower lashes. Tape if necessary. Then, use straight tweezers to isolate one natural lash. Dip the base of an extension into the lash glue. Place the extension on top of your natural lash. Hold the extension in place for a few seconds. This allows the glue to dry. Alternate eyes. Repeat these steps for each lash. Brush each eye before proceeding to stick the lash. Once all lashes are applied, brush them with a clean mascara wand. You should also mist them with the machine. Brushing helps to separate the lashes and misting helps to dry the glue faster. That's the end of our free informational course. If you would like to receive the step-by-step tutorial and get certified with us, DM us on Instagram to get started.